Home Remedies presents Why you must try the yellow tea. Yellow tea is another drink that has slowly gained popularity across the world. Native to China, it has a mellow taste, smooth texture, and a pleasing aroma. The process of making this tea is similar to that of green tea, but with an added step, which involves encasing and steaming the tea. Under this process, the tea polyphenols, catechins, are first oxidized to attain the yellow tinge and then further treated to preserve the color and aroma of the dried leaf. Let's see the various health benefits it offers. Fights cancer. Yellow tea contains antioxidants and polyphenols that are believed to reduce the occurrence of carcinogenic cells within the body. Keeps heart healthy. Yellow tea is beneficial to help prevent the occurrence of artery-related diseases if consumed regularly. Increases the appetite. Yellow tea is highly recommended for working professionals who suffer from a loss of appetite due to work stress. Try taking a cup of yellow tea an hour before taking the meal and feel the difference. It naturally increases your intake capacity. Lowers the signs of aging. While aging is a natural process, the antioxidants in yellow tea take care against all signs of aging, including wrinkles and blemishes, and helps attain flawless skin. Maintain blood sugar levels. People suffering from diabetes, especially type 1, have trouble regulating their sugar levels due to low levels of insulin. Drinking yellow tea tends to regulate sugar levels by itself. Good for liver. The polyphenols found in yellow tea, especially catechin polyphenol, not only help protect the liver from all sorts of damage but also helps in the treatment of hepatitis. Helps in weight loss. The yellow tea extract is known for boosting metabolism and burning fat quickly. So if you want to lose weight, consuming yellow tea is the way to go. How to make yellow tea at home. The eastern regions have perfected the art of making it right at home. Here is how you can make yellow tea at home. Ingredients: yellow tea 5 grams, honey, water 200 ml. How to prepare. Boil the water and pour it in a glass. Add 5 grams of yellow tea and let it steep for 2 to 5 minutes, depending on how strong you want it to be. If needed, add the sweetener to it, honey or stevia, according to your taste and preference. Strain it after 5 minutes. Drink the tea warm. Precautionary tips. While yellow tea has its share of multiple benefits, it should not be consumed in the following cases. People on glaucoma medications should avoid drinking yellow tea, as it may tend to make it worse. A person should not drink more than a cup of strong yellow tea in a day. Market players selling poor quality green tea as yellow tea should be avoided at all costs. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.